This three dotted icon, make sure it is in this desktop mode. If it is not in desktop mode, it will keep referring you to the app. Did you guys see what I'm talking about? This particular place, make sure that this desktop size is kind of ticked. So when you're done with that, then you come to this account, come to settings is under the icon, so you're going to be clicking on it. So by the time you do that, you allow it to load up. So you come to your channel. All right, come to your channel where you're seeing channel, click on the channel. So when you click on the channel, the next thing you're going to be doing is to come to your feature eligibility. First thing you need to